channel. Today's video is an exciting one. So today's video, I thought I would do a sit down prep and get ready with me. You guys are gonna officially see my full monthly reset routine. I try to do this at the end, like the very last day of each month, or right at the within the first day or two of a new month. But basically my reset routine for my skin and my face. So please be sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other uploads, and we're just gonna get started. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. It comes in this nice case, y'all, and it is green. So I'm just gonna open it. It already has its first blade on here, and then it comes with these refills in the pack. So this is really nice. Now, to dermaplane my face, everyone does it differently, but how I've been doing it for years now is I use good old aloe vera gel, put it all over my face, and that's what I use to dermaplane with. This is really, really nice. You guys see that? We're gonna take our new tool and we're just gonna go to town. You know, wherever you feel you need to razor blade or dermaplane, just do it safely. If you don't feel comfortable doing this, you can skip this, go to a professional. There's a lot of spa and skincare places now that will offer this particular service. Oh, and by the way, prior to this, I've already brushed my teeth and stuff like that, of course, because I had my birthday breakfast here at home. I made it myself, and I've been trying this out lately. Me and my husband saw this in Target. That place is so dangerous. It has you buying stuff you weren't even going in there to buy in the first place. This is by the brand Arc. It is the after brushing whitening booster. So it removes and prevents surface stains, and you use it right after brushing your teeth, and you can use it every day. So this is what we picked up. We've been trying it out, and I mean, also with the lighting, it helps your teeth look white, but my teeth have been looking pretty whiter lately these days. Aside from using that, I also oil pull. I did get into doing that over the past few months, and I mainly do it at nighttime now. I used to do it twice a day. Sometimes I will if I'm really up for it, but now I do it every night when I'm doing my night routine before bed. This is just all I have so far. That's nasty. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do makeup now for the day. Going for something more natural. I've already finished my skincare and done my eyebrows off camera. Go ahead and lightly brush through my brows. And this one is the Ulta Beauty brand, and it works pretty well in my opinion. I'm gonna start with my concealer. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the color Golden. I love this concealer. I'm just gonna start putting this on now. This is a pretty full coverage concealer. And then I go in and blend. With my Mercier powder. Can you guys see that? The Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. I'm in the shade 4N62. This is so, so beautiful, you guys. I love, 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 love this foundation. Micro Smooth Powder in the shade Mocha, 70 Mocha. Apply this all over my face, and I'll use my same foundation brush. Look like this. Let's see if I can get these on. Y'all pray for me. Heat palette. Keeping the eyes very light and natural today, so I'm just gonna use the color Chaser and Sauce to put all over the lid. Using my Juvias Lace Blush palette that I have, and I don't know what these colors are called, but I'm gonna mix them together. Oh, wait. Powder. Let's do the translucent powder from Sephora. Okay. Everything melt and mellow together. I need a lip color on because I don't have one on right now.